Hey guys, what's up? It's Rhegan and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my medium puff. So as always, I'm just going to start with spraying my hair down with water and then follow up with a leave-in conditioner. Today I'm just using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. Now I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. I feel like my hair naturally parts down the middle anyway. I hardly ever do a side part. And I'm just going to smooth my hair down with the olive oil eco styler gel just to lay down any frizzies that I may have. And one of my favorite ways to pull up my hair is just a black shoestring. If I don't use a extra large ponytail holder, I like to go in with the shoestring because it's less abrasive on my thick hair. And I don't know, it's just easier. I'm able to adjust how tight I want my puff to be. And honestly, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to start pulling apart my hair. My curls are pretty tight this day. I didn't stretch them out or anything. So just picking it out to give it some more volume. Now I'm just going to go in with some water and Eco Styler gel to define some of the curls that were stretched out or frizzy. And the final step is just smooth down your edges. I don't do my edges every day, but sometimes I like for them to look more defined. Hope you guys enjoyed this medium puff tutorial. You could definitely go with a more stretched out look, but I'm just embracing my shrinkage right now. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.